Interior updates. What are some home updates that add value? We've discussed in previous videos different ways to increase your home's value through enhancing your home's exterior. Let's step inside and explore the world of interior updates today. Hi, I'm Charlotte, your Thurston County real estate broker. These are changes that can truly transform your living spaces and make your home stand out. Why interior updates are important. Once potential buyers step through the front door, the interior sets the tone for the overall impression. A well-maintained and thoughtfully updated interior can captivate the interest and imagination. Modernization. Interior updates allow you to modernize your home, making it more appealing to contemporary buyers. This can be especially important if your home has outdated features or fixtures. Maximize space. Clever interior updates can help maximize the perception of space, even in smaller homes. This can be a significant selling point. Interior update ideas. Here are some interior update ideas that can add value to your home without breaking the bank. Painting walls and ceilings. A fresh coat of paint can work wonders. Opt for neutral colors that will create a very clean look and be appealing to most buyers. Upgrade fixtures. Certainly updating hardware and faucets in your home can be a relatively quick and cost-effective way to refresh your space and increase its value. Upgrading hardware and faucets may seem like small changes, but they can have a significant impact on the overall look and feel of your home. So you can swap out the dated light fixtures, cabinet handles, and faucets for more contemporary styles. These small changes can give your home a modern and cohesive look. Outdated hardware and faucets can make your home feel old-fashioned, and upgrading them to contemporary styles can instantly modernize your space and make it more appealing to buyers. Cohesiveness. Consistent hardware and faucets throughout the home create a cohesive design. This uniformity enhances the overall aesthetic and flow of the space. Affordability. Hardware and faucet replacements are relatively affordable compared to larger renovations, yet they can make a noticeable difference in your home's appearance and functionality. Choosing the right finish for your hardware and faucets is essential for achieving the desired look. Here are some popular finishes to consider. Chrome, a classic and versatile option that complements most decor styles. Brushed nickel. This offers a warm, contemporary look with a slightly matte finish. Oil rubbed bronze. This provides a rich, traditional appearance with dark, earthy tones. Matte black. A modern and sleek choice that adds a bold contrast to lighter surroundings. Stainless steel. Known for its durability and modern appeal, it's a popular choice in kitchens. Step 1. Planning. Begin by identifying the areas you want to replace hardware and faucets. Common areas include kitchens, bathrooms, and even interior doors. Measure existing hardware and faucets to ensure replacements are the right size and style. Step 2. Selection. Visit home improvement stores or browse online to explore the various hardware and faucet options. Consider the style, finish, and functionality that best suits your space and personal preferences. Step 3. Removal. Start by turning off the water supply to the faucets you plan to replace. Remove the old hardware and faucets using appropriate tools. Be careful not to damage the surrounding surfaces. Step 4. Installation. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for installing your new hardware and faucets. If you're not confident in your plumbing skills, consider hiring a professional plumber for faucet installations to ensure that the connections are leak-free. Step 5. Final touches. Once the new hardware and faucets are securely in place, make any necessary adjustments to ensure they function correctly. Clean and polish the new fixtures to give them a shiny, polished look. Flooring. If your budget is on the bigger side, consider replacing old, worn-out carpets with hardwood or laminate flooring. It's a cost-effective way to modernize your home, and it's easier to maintain. Declutter and stage. Before listing your home, decluttering is essential. Remove personal items and excess furniture to make your space look much more open and inviting. And if your house is cramped or crowded with different items, knickknacks, etc., it makes it really hard for buyers to see anything but the overwhelm. Not only does it make the space feel smaller, but there's no way they can envision themselves truly living in the space. This decluttering alone will make a huge difference, and you're trying to move anyway, so pack it all up. So once you've decluttered, it's time to set the stage with, well, you know, staging. You want this space to look its best and appeal to the biggest pool of potential buyers. To do this might require packing up some of your own furniture and belongings to bring in temporary furniture from a stager to give your home a much more modern model home look. Or it might be just adding a few bits here and there just to give it a little something. Staging can also help potential buyers envision themselves living there. Window treatments. Updating window treatments such as blinds or curtains can improve the overall appearance of your rooms and control natural light effectively. Kitchen revamp. If your budget allows, consider a kitchen refresh. This could involve painting cabinets, replacing countertops, or upgrading appliances. The kitchen is a focal point for many buyers. Bathroom updates. In the bathroom, consider replacing old fixtures, regrouting tiles, and updating the vanity. A fresh look in the bathroom can significantly increase your home's appeal. DIY versus professional help. When tackling interior updates, you'll need to decide between DIY projects and professional help. Some tasks like painting or replacing fixtures are often very DIY friendly. However, for more complex projects like kitchen or bathroom renovations, it's wise to consult with professionals. They can ensure the work is done correctly and efficiently. This also depends on how big of a refresh or renovation you're doing. Cost-effective strategies. Budget is often a concern when it comes to interior updates. Here are a few cost-effective strategies to consider. Prioritize. Focus on the areas that need the most attention. You don't have to update every room if your budget is limited. Shop smart. Look for sales, discounts, and clearance items when buying materials or fixtures. You can often find high-quality items at a fraction of the cost. Rejuvenate. Don't replace. Instead of entirely replacing items, consider refinishing or reusing them. For instance, you can refinish cabinets rather than buying new ones. So, obviously, interior updates are a powerful way to increase your home's value and appeal to potential buyers. These updates can modernize your living spaces and make your home more inviting and set it apart in a competitive market. Whether you're making small changes or planning more extensive renovation, a well-updated interior can make all the difference. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more real estate tips.